Daddy's changing the colours of the wall.
Oh really, Griffin? Do you think I can help him? Do you think Daddy would like me to help?
I don't think that'd be a good idea there now, Paris.
Ta-da! I think I did a great job. What do you think, guys? Didn't I do a great job?
Well, I think it might be time for you to move out there now, Paris. When Daddy gets home, he's not going to be happy.
But it looks awesome. Like a Picasso or something.
Paris?
Uh-oh.
It's not very often I get brought to bed anymore, especially since the twins came along. But when Daddy came home and saw Paris after painting all over the wall, he wasn't very happy. And he was making these strange noises. I think his head was going to explode at one stage. But I don't care, because I'm up here now in the bed that's real soft, and Mammy and Daddy just love me the most. I'm their favourite, you know, because I was here first. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We've got 3 videos every week right here on YouTube.